for the launch of the park. The park is South Mumbai's and probably Mumbai's first planned master plan, wherein instead of doing a project, what the company has decided to do is to create a large master plan around a great public space with 7 acres purely dedicated to creating one large green expanse, something we sorely miss in Mumbai. When you see across the world, whether it's Central Park in New York or Hyde Park or Regent's Park in London or so many others, the very best real estate is always around these magnificent public spaces. And what we are today presenting to Mumbai is an equivalent mega scale public space around which a variety of different developments, including residential, bungalows, townhouses, retail, will come up over time with the very best brands and designers from across the world, bringing to Mumbai what is the best from around the world. जो इन्वेस्टमेंट का फिगर है वो ये जो पूरा 17 एकड़ का डेवलपमेंट होगा जिसमें पार्क भी होगा और बाकी कई रियल एस्टेट डेवलपमेंट्स होंगे वो मिलकर 5,000 करोड़ से ऊपर इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा.
Is my home in Mumbai already present? Yes, of course. I've always been a resident of Mumbai before marriage and after. So yes, home is very much in the city. But to put it very simply, if you're asking whether I'll also be investing in the park, my answer is yes. I'm sure if you really log my last release, it was Guzarish on the screen. So in terms of, see, we meet every other week or every month. So I keep saying, yes, I'm reading scripts and work is getting finalized. But it really is the prerogative of the, as has always been, the directors and the producers to make the announcements, and that's why I never do it. And this is, at least you all know for a fact, has consistently been me. In fact, even this association, we obviously have already come together, we have shot our campaign, but I think you all were told about this only this morning. So it is the prerogative of the people I'm working with, and like here, the Lodha Group, to announce my association as their brand ambassador this morning, to share it with you. Everybody has a plan, and I respect the plan of the people I'm working with, and I give them the opportunity to go ahead and make the announcements. It's always been me, and that about me will never change. I can't be getting down to, I'm a proud Indian and one who's lived my entire life with an older brother, and it's, as Indians, we celebrate Raksha Bandhan. We love our festivals, and we thoroughly enjoy celebrating every one of them. So I won't get down to how I celebrate Raksha Bandhan. I'd just like to take this opportunity to wish all your viewers, all your readers, a very, very happy Raksha Bandhan. Enjoy celebrating it. Enjoy the spirit of fraternizing. We take it to sister, brother to brother, and with your closest friends as well. It's just enjoying the spirit of fraternizing, and that's what I think is absolutely important, and something that we cherish and enjoy doing. And it's beautiful that we have these festivals in our country. And from now on, I think we're going to have so many festivals right up to Diwali. So we'll take the opportunity from time to time to wish all your viewers for each one of them, beginning now with Raksha Bandhan. Pleasure, and thank you so much for being with us today and for sharing in our celebrating the launch of this project. Thank you.